Ever felt your heart race at the sound of a revving engine? Ever dreamed of owning a piece of automotive history? Buckle up, gearheads, because we're taking a high-octane dive into the Mecum Kissimmee 2024 auction, where legendary classics cross the block and dreams roar to life. On January 14th, 2024, the gavel fell on some truly jaw-dropping sales, leaving collectors grinning and bank accounts a little lighter. But which chariots ruled the roost? Today, we burn rubber down memory lane and unveil the top sales that set Mecum Kissimmee ablaze.
Welcome petrol heads, piston heads, and anyone who can appreciate a finely tuned masterpiece. I'm here to ignite your passion for classic cars with a recap of the most mind-blowing deals from Mecum Kissimmee's auction held on January 14, 2024. Imagine the air thick with exhaust fumes, the auctioneer's voice a melodic chant, and bidding paddles flashing like lightning. In this crucible of chrome and competition, only the fiercest steeds emerged victorious. So, let's shift gears and zoom into the top classic car sales that left everyone speechless. I only focused on the top classic car sales from that day in this video. First up, the undisputed champions of the auction, a pair of automotive royalty, the 1967 to 1969 L88 Corvettes, first and last production units. This dynamic duo, crossing the block at a staggering $2,585,000, proved that classics never lose their swagger. Owning both the origin story and the final bow of this legendary lineage? Now that's a collector's dream come true. But the Mecum magic didn't stop there. Buckle up, because we're just warming up the engines. Think you know classic cars? Test your knowledge in the comments below. Who can guess the next Mecum $1 million sale? But wait, there's more. Let's shift gears to British elegance with the 1974 Jaguar E-Type Series 3 convertible. This wasn't just a pretty face, it was a purring predator with a 5.7-liter V8 heart. The bidding was brisk, but not as furious as the 1967 to 1969 L88 Corvettes, first and last production units. Still, this feline beauty found a new home for $154,000, proving that timeless design and roaring engines never go out of style. Hit that subscribe button and dive deeper into the world of classic cars. Now, buckle up for some American muscle. The 1971 Dodge Challenger R/T roared onto the stage, its fuel-injected 416 Ci V8 promising tire-shredding thrills. And thrill it did, the bids flying faster than a Challenger on an open road. In the end, this Mopar legend found a new owner for $148,500, proving that muscle cars still pack a punch in the collector market. But wait, there's one more American hero. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible, another muscle car icon, flexed its 454 Ci V8 and vintage air conditioning on the auction block. The bidding was spirited, but not quite as wild as the Challenger. Nevertheless, this Chevy muscle found a happy home for $148,500, proving that classic American muscle never loses its charm. I'm always on the hunt for amazing classic car stories. Subscribe and tell me about your dream garage in the comments. Now, let's turn our attention to the 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. This wasn't just another 67 Vet, it was a true collector's dream. Packing a powerful 427/400 HP V8 engine, a smooth 4-speed manual transmission, and the coveted factory air conditioning, this beauty was a head-turner both on the road and on the auction block. Bidders recognized its pedigree and performance potential, pushing the price up to a respectable $148,500. This iconic Corvette proved that even among muscle car legends, it holds a special place in the hearts and wallets of collectors. And there you have it, folks, just a taste of the high-octane drama that unfolded at Mecum Kissimmee January 14, 2024. Each sale a testament to the enduring allure of classic cars, their stories, and their raw, mechanical beauty. So, keep your wallets close, car lovers, because who knows what automotive gems might cross the block next. Wow, what a ride, gearheads! From L88 legends to winged warriors, classic muscle to timeless icons, Mecum Kissimmee January 14, 2024 proved that the love for classic cars burns brighter than ever. So, remember, whether you're a seasoned collector or a wide-eyed enthusiast, let the roar of these automotive masterpieces ignite your passion. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. Keep the chrome polished, the engines oiled, and the dream of owning a piece of automotive history alive. Until next time, stay fast, stay passionate, and never stop chasing the thrill of the open road.